Hey, this time I'm back with something that I use daily, which is a cordless vacuum cleaner. So it's a Dyson V8 Motorhead cordless stick vacuum cleaner. Actually, it is engineered for everyday use, and it has a strong suction and lightweight, up to 40 minutes of runtime. Okay, so I actually use it daily, and I was using an old model before, which is a wired one, but I like this cordless. I felt it is very convenient and comfort for me to use. I used to charge it daily and I use it, and it cleaned my floors perfectly, guys. Okay, and it is very fast and it is very lightweight. I bought it from Home Depot. I bought it when I found a discount in Home Depot. I usually buy some expensive thing when I see, mostly electronic items, when I see a discount, mostly on Thanksgiving, or sometimes if we are closely monitoring Slick Deals and Deals of America website, we can see the discounted things actually. So this once came in discount, and I really recommend this product because it's really good. That's why. So I'm just showing some unboxing of this one in this video. These are all simple videos of the products that I am using, and this is on-off shopping. This one is actually cordless, very lightweight and fast charging, and it cleans very good. In this channel, I only used to share things after I use it, I like it, and I feel it's perfect for recommending somebody. So this is on-off shopping, guys, and I need a lot of support from everyone. So please don't forget to subscribe this channel, and I need your like, comments and all. I will be sharing a lot of items in this channel.